Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer statement in QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a customer statement in QuickBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers ask you to send them a statement so they can see all the different transactions they paid to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a customer statement, you're going to click on this new button right here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on statement underneath customers. If you don't see this button for some reason, don't worry. Just click on this menu button right here and just scroll down to customers and leads, and then click on customers. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and choose the customer that you want a statement for. And then off to the right of their name, you're going to see a downward arrow, and then just click on create statement. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same thing. All right, so here we are on the customer statement. So first you want to go ahead and choose the statement type. Do you want to do balance forward, open item, or a transaction statement? For me, I'll choose transaction statement. And then do you want to do the statement date as of today, or do you want to change the date? You can click right here. And let's say we want a statement as of October 1st. We would just choose there. And then go ahead and do a start and end date. So sometimes your customers are going to want a yearly statement. So you can go ahead and click in here and then choose the whole year, the quarter, the month. That's really up to you. So let me go ahead and change this to today. Okay, for me, I'm going to go ahead and just do a transaction statement for the month. And once you're ready to go ahead and create that, click on apply. Okay, so once you do that, your customer statement's going to appear down here, and you can go ahead and print and preview right here by clicking on this button here in the bottom center. All right, once you do that, it's going to show a physical version of your statement. So you can go ahead and scroll through it. And if you want to print it out, you can print it out. If you just simply want to save it, you can save it as a PDF and then email it out, or you can actually email it out directly from QuickBooks Online. Let me close this out. Okay, so here we are back on the customer statement. And if you just want to send it directly from QuickBooks Online, go ahead and click on save and send. Make sure that you have the email address right here though. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a customer statement in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.